Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? First confirm Wi-Fi is enabled, airplane mode is off, and you typed the right password. Move closer to the router so signal strength isn't the issue, and eliminate nearby interference like microwaves. Once done, restart your device and power cycle the router, unplug it for 30 seconds and plug back in. This small sequence clears temporary glitches and often restores the saved network connection without deeper changes. So check connectivity immediately after the router finishes rebooting. Now you dig into settings. Forget the faulty network and reconnect, entering credentials fresh to rule out a saved password mismatch. Next, ensure your device uses DHCP rather than a static IP. Renew or refresh the IP lease if available, because IP conflicts block connections. Update your device's Wi-Fi driver or the router firmware to fix known bugs. Also temporarily disable VPNs, proxies, or MAC filtering on the router. These can silently reject saved devices. After each change, retry connecting to observe progress. Finish up with decisive actions. If problems remain, reset network settings on your device to clear stubborn configs. Be aware this removes all saved networks and VPNs. As a last resort, perform a factory reset on the router and then reconfigure SSID, password, and WPA2/WPA3 security. This removes corrupt router settings. Test connection using a phone hotspot to isolate device versus router issues. If you still can't connect, contact your ISP or replace faulty hardware. Tip: keep a spare device to verify whether the issue is device-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.